And it is my very own Oculus Quest. Hey, Hendy here, and welcome to another unboxing video. Two in the space of 2 weeks. That's weird considering I've only done 2 actual unboxing videos, and they've both been within a week of each other. Anyway, today I have something I'm extremely excited to open up, and it is my very own Oculus Quest. Hooray! This is so exciting, honestly. I've wanted actual virtual reality for a long time now, and I've saved up, and it's come out, and it's here. It just got delivered, so now I'm gonna open it. I'm gonna go through all the setup and stuff on video, just in case anyone else buys it and they wanna like know how to set it up. And yeah, so off the bat, this is quite a big box. We got the box art. We got some of the games on it. Vader Immortal is going to be amazing, I think. Dead and Buried might be cool. Creed might be cool. Some of them might be cool. So it's all in one VR. If you guys don't know, this is the first virtual reality set that is. It's all in here. There's no wires required. Obviously there is for charging. You don't need a powerful PC. You don't need a phone. It's all standalone. 6 degrees of freedom with these front-facing cameras. You don't need any sensors around the rooms. And of course it's from Oculus, so love you, Oculus. You're amazing. We got the touch controllers, which are really good. I've tried them once before when I played on a Rift. Once or twice. So I'm going to get into this package. That's going to be the majority of this video. Just looking through this package and then setting it up. So yeah, let's get into that. And before I do fully open the package, because I haven't done so yet, I have bought the. You can't see it. It's bad quality on my camera, but this is the 128GB Quest. It comes in 2 different sizes of storage, 64GB and 128. I opted for 128 because I doubt I'm going to be upgrading to any more virtual reality soon, but it's probably going to be more than enough storage for me. This was £499, so quite a flipping lot of money, but I really hope I'm sure it's going to be worth it. Right, I got it out of the plastic wrapping. That took longer than I expected it to. Alright, let's do some more one-handed unboxing. And as he goes to use his other hand. Nice. Right, we got the Oculus logo on this box. Why do they have to make them with types of lids where you have to use both hands? Okay, right, I got the lid off. Hey! A money shot. Right, so here we got. It smells weird. We've got the actual Quest. That looks amazing. Yeah, we got Oculus logo. Yeah, that's amazing. We got the touch controllers. Yay! Oh no, it's this way around, isn't it? Yeah, that feels a lot more natural. I'm not sure if this is meant to be the left hand. That's why it's meant to be held like that. Feels amazingly natural. Yeah, that's why the touch controllers are amazing. I just realized it's probably going to be really loud, me yelling. Oh well, right. And then we've also got charging, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, we got batteries here, along with a note or something. Well, not a note, obviously, like a rule book. A safety and warranty manual, I'll probably take a look at that. If I can be bothered. We got reference guide. Oh, okay, I'll also probably take a look at that. Got some batteries. Got a power adapter to UK power because I need that apparently. We got a glasses spacer in case I had glasses. If I had glasses, I could put this in there and it would give me extra space for my glasses, but I don't have glasses. Right, now I'm going to take this off. How do we go about doing that? Just a second. Now, dear Lord. Oh, okay. That's much better than I expected it to be. Right, there's just a thing with peel, so I can do that with one hand. This is satisfying. And off it comes. I'll put that in the same place as the other one. And off it comes. I'll put that in the same place as the other one. Alright. So this is a charging cable. I'm going to have to plug in the actual Quest to charge in a sec. So yeah, that's what I got so far. These controllers, that's the wrong one. They feel like, if you have the right one, it feels perfectly suited to be held in the hand. It really does, and the sensing I know is really good on these controllers. Like, you can point and stuff, and it'll notice. You can grip stuff quite easily. And yeah, we've got some really good controls. So I'm going to put the headset on charge and stuff. I'm going to start setting it up, and I'm going to record the setup process. But that's everything you get inside the box. And yeah, I'll see you for the setup process. Okay, so I already downloaded the Oculus app prior to this arriving. So I'm just going to create an Oculus account real quick, and then we'll head on to setting this bad boy up, or bad girl. Actually, it's good. It's very good. Okay, right. So, I got the Quest down there. Now, I'm selecting a headset to pair with. I'm going to go with the Quest, of course. And let's go through what we're going to do. Yes, my screen's correct. Welcome to Oculus Quest. Start setting up your device. Okay. Start pairing. Power. I have already plugged it in. Plug in your headset. Status light on the right side of the headset will indicate your power level. I think you'll see that it's over 9,000. Whereabouts is this light meant to be? Ah! It is charging, I think. I'm not sure if that's yellow or red. It should be charging. Let's just say that it's charging. Let's check that it is plugged in. Yeah, it should be charging. Right. I need to hold the power button. Do that. Hold it for 2 seconds. I don't know if I'm doing it right. I don't know if it's turning on. Let's move this. Take a look, see. Okay, I can't see anything at the moment, so I guess it's not on. Aha! 51%. Yeah, it's on. Okay, right. Oh, turn it on. Enable Bluetooth. Enable my Bluetooth. Okay, I just need to go. Don't look at all that. Bluetooth. Right, Bluetooth's on. Look into your headset for a 5-digit code in the bottom right corner and enter it here. Okay. All I see is power. Just a second. Yeah, I'll be back as soon as I've finished work this out. Okay, right, I think I got my code. So I'm going to type that in. You can't see that because I don't know if you can do anything with my code, but I want to keep it secret. Just in case you can. Right. Let's see if it starts pairing. Pairing headset. Now, let me see if I can see anything inside said headset. And the issue that I had, in case any of you come across this, is I hadn't managed to switch it on properly. Somehow. Right, apparently the headset's paired now. So I'm going to connect to my Wi-Fi. I need to grab the password. Let me just go do that. Okay, right. I'm going to set up the basic stuff, to be honest, now. And then I'll come back. So I connected to the internet. That was good. Now I got to slot batteries into the... Okay, that's cool. Obviously I noticed already that it came with included batteries. So... Oh, that just slides... Oh, that's nice. Right, so this just slides off. Grab a battery. Which side's plus? And which side's minus? Ah, plus is outside. Okay. And which side's which on these batteries? Okay. So simply slip them in there. Put that back on. That one should be ready to go now. Let's grab the left one. Take that off. Grab the battery. See which side's plus. See which side it wants plus on. And slip and slide it on in there. This camera quality, like my cameramanship, is amazing. Right, I've inserted batteries. The controllers are apparently paired. Nice. Let me see if I can see those hands. I can! If I look in, obviously I can't show this to you guys right now. If I look in the VR, I can see the hands. I can see those on the floor in there. That's amazing. Right, now I'm selecting my language. Payment methods I'll add later when I actually buy games. Right, we got a safety video. I'm not going to record this, I'm going to actually watch it. But, yeah. I'll come back when this is done. Okay, so it's just downloading a little update now. Let's go whilst it's doing the update. Yes, notify when it's ready. Allow. Right, so I'm going to look through the store whilst this is happening. So we got Quest Essentials Wonder. Should probably actually hold the camera so you can see. Dance Essentials Super Hot. I'm definitely going to get that. Job Simulator, probably that. Maybe Beat Saber. Definitely Vader Immortal. Rubber Recall, definitely. Moss, Magic of VR. Beat Saber, I'm definitely going to use the free trial if nothing else. Oh wait, let's have a look at these. Exit and pause apps with the Oculus button, cool. Hide and trigger the universal memory by pressing it. Scroll with that. Press those to select. Oh, and press those to go back. And press that to switch to primary controller. Nice. Cool. Obviously in the store we got all of the games. There may actually be a port for Five Nights at Freddy's VR coming for Quest. Maybe. I'm hoping so. If that does happen, that will obviously be very helpful. Because I love that. Right, I'm just going to go on. What we got coming soon? Only a few games on that. Right. I'm going to look through all of these. Face Your Fears I might honestly get. I want to see how scary it is and if I can get through it. YouTube VR, definitely going to download that. Browse all, there we are. Right, so I'm just going to going through what I'm going to get, I guess. So YouTube VR, definitely going to get. Netflix, maybe. I don't have an account, though. Beat Saber, maybe. Well, most likely. Vader Immortal, definitely. Creed, it's quite expensive. Super Hot, definitely. Rocket Fury, maybe. VR Chat, definitely. Job Simulator, definitely. Angry Birds, maybe. These, no, probably. Well, actually, I'll get big screen in case I do want to watch a film. Roller Coaster, that's free, so I'll definitely get that. Rec Room, I might get. Devonberry 2, I might get. Apex Constructs, I'll probably get. Wonder and National Geographic, I might get. Keep Talking, Nobody Explodes, maybe? I Expect You to Die, definitely. Exorcist Legion VR, I might get, honestly. Drop Dead Dual Strike Edition, maybe. Robo Recall, definitely. Face Your Fears 2, pretty much definitely. Rush, Space Pirate Trainer, maybe. Beats, I know all these demos, I'll get every demo and just have a little play with them. Especially Beat Saber. Beat Saber is the one that I really want. And purchased already will be First Steps. You get First Steps. I'm going to play through that. Playing through that will be amazing. I just want to... I'll probably put some footage of that when this is finished downloading. It's 47%. But yeah, so that's just a list of games I'm going to be getting and their prices. As you can scroll through, you can pause, see what they were. Now I'm going to probably hop to some footage inside the headset when I'm done here. So yeah, once this is done downloading, I'll probably record the playing through First Steps. Because that's the only thing that will be downloaded originally. Then I might have some other gameplay of some of the demos, but that's basically it for now. If there's not anything after this, then I'd like to thank you for watching. Subscribe if you're new, like this video, and comment down below if you're getting a Quest or if you want a Quest. Or anything about the Quest. Comment whatever you want, really. If you want to comment, that is. So I'm going to leave this part here, and maybe some gameplay now. But if not, then I'll see you in my next video. Goodbye.